This year, we see the Mana cryptographic money turning into a top gainer a large number of weeks. There is nothing unexpected. All things considered, Decentraland is one of the stars of the play-to-procure pattern, which became famous in 2021 on the digital money market. How is the task growing now, and what might we at any point anticipate from the cost of the in-game Mana token? How about we sort it out? Decentraland is a metaverse based on the Ethereum blockchain. The undertaking was laid out by the Decentraland establishment back in 2015. Thus, you can see that this game has been available for quite a while. The group held an ICO in 2017 and effectively raised around 90,000 DTH, which was about $26 million around then. Nonetheless, the computer-generated simulation stage was opened to the public simply in 2020. Decentraland clients can trade land things while partaking in the game in collaboration. It resembles a web-based game. Nonetheless, it centers around friendly and financial collaborations among clients and not on the actual interactivity. Clients impart, go to addresses, open stores, and investigate the world and new articles in it. Doesn't it help you to remember anything? This is Minecraft of a decentralized world. All land in Decentraland is separated into 90,000 bundles called packages. The underlying size of one package was 10 times 10 meters of in-game space. In February 2019, the local area led a vote. Just later, the size of each bundle was expanded to 16 times 16 meters. Each bundle is an ERC-721 token, land. We should discuss the tokens. There are two kinds of in-game cryptographic money, Mana and land. Mana is an ERC-20 symbolic that assists with purchasing virtual labor and products inside the metaverse. Land is an ERC-721 token used to signify the option to possess a particular real estate parcel in the game. As such, it's a proof of proprietorship. Other than packages, there are streets and courts in the realm of Decentraland. Clients can't get it on the grounds that no one but designers can make objects on them. Streets are required for clients to explore the virtual world. The squares are points of fascination for clients, recreational areas and data zones. The nearer the land is to the streets and squares, the more costly it is. The region around Focal Square is the most costly, very much like the Focal Park property in New York. The universe of Decentraland has topical zones called regions. For instance, there are shops on Style Road and auditoriums in Decentraland College. Every region is possessed and overseen by a neighborhood local area. Tragically, the land in such regions is as of now not accessible for procurement. Mana is in its upturn in light of the fact that GameFi is boundless. Thus, Mana can be a decent expansion to the crypto portfolio. How about we check the genuine sorts out? Before the current year's over, the resource is anticipated to arrive at a mark of about $6. In 2022, it can develop to $7. The value development may not be so bullish however smooth. In 2023 to 2025, the cost is projected to remain around $5 to $7. Decentraland Value Forecast 2022. As per the specialized examination of Decentraland costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Decentraland will be 78 cents. The greatest level that the Mana cost can reach is 89 cents. The typical exchanging cost is normal around 81 cents. Mana value estimate for September 2022. In view of the value vacillations of Decentraland toward the start of 2022, crypto specialists expect the typical Mana pace of 75 cents in September 2022. Its base and greatest costs can be anticipated at 69 cents and at 77 cents, separately. October 2022, Decentraland value estimate. Cryptographic money specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the Mana cost in October 2022. The base exchanging cost may be 73 cents, while the most extreme could reach 81 cents during this month. Overall, it is normal that the worth of Decentraland may be around 77 cents. Mana value conjecture for November 2022. Crypto experts have actually taken a look at the value variances of Decentraland in 2022 and in earlier years, so the normal mana rate they foresee may be around 79 cents in November 2022. It can drop to 76 cents as a base. The most extreme worth may be 85 cents. December 2022, Decentraland Value Conjecture. Around mid-year 2022, the mana cost will be exchanged at 81 cents by and large. December 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Decentraland worth to 89 cents. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than 78 cents in December 2022. Decentraland Value Forecast 2023. After the examination of the costs of Decentraland in earlier years, it is expected that in 2023, the base cost of Decentraland will be around $1.15. The most extreme expected mana cost might be around $1.40. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $1.18 in 2023. Decentraland Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of Decentraland, in 2024, mana is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $1.76 and $1.98, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $1.82. Decentraland Value Forecast 2025. The specialists in the field of cryptographic money have broke down the costs of Decentraland and their variances during the earlier years. It is expected that in 2025, the base mana cost could drop to $2.65, while its most extreme can reach $3.06. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $2.73. Decentraland Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of Decentraland by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least mana costs are normal in 2026, $4.65 and $4.02. By and large, it will be exchanged at $4.16. Decentraland Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the changes of Decentraland. In view of their expectations, the assessed typical mana cost will be around $6.10. It could drop to at least $5.94, yet it actually could reach $6.98 all through 2027. Decentraland Value Expectation 2028. Consistently, digital money specialists plan conjectures at the cost of Decentraland. It is assessed that mana will